Hey, what's up? I'm Pure for Life. Welcome to the guide on installing Cherokee WebServer for your Mac. Try and follow along as best you can. This is quite a complicated tutorial. Lots of terminal, oh yeah. Let's jump straight into it. To begin with, we need to install brew. So here's the install script I found. So simply copy and paste this into the terminal to begin. Make this a little bit bigger, and the script will install. Press enter to continue, type your password in, and there you go. We need to grab Xcode off the Mac App Store, which is free. We need this to compile Cherokee. Brew takes care of actually compiling it, but you need to download a few tools of Xcode, sorry, that I can show you when it downloads. Now that we have Xcode installed, let's open up Xcode. Agree. Install. So now it's installed. Let's start using Xcode. Once you've started Xcode, you go to Preferences. Click on the panel that says Downloads, and then you click to install the command line tools. Now this is a part you will need an Apple developer account, which you can make free online. So after the command line tools are installed, you can go ahead and close Xcode. Now the next step, download and install PHP with CGI support. So let's go ahead and do that. So brew update, just to make sure brew's up to date. There's a command here that we can use. We also need to do with CGI support. If it comes up with any software updates, obviously accept them and install everything that comes with it. So once it's finished compiling and installing, let's go ahead and set up MySQL. If you type in brew info MySQL, it will give you the instructions on how to set up the tables. So set temp directory, and just copy these commands and paste them. So I've just rebooted the system, and now I'm going to type in the command to create a new user for MySQL. So the user is going to be root and the password is going to be root. So then that's done, I can check that MySQL is running by MySQL -u root -p root, and I'm in. Now let's install a graphical interface for accessing MySQL, because I don't like doing it from the terminal personally. So let's open my favorite one, which is SQL Pro. You search SQL Pro in Google, and it's free at the moment. Give them a donation though, because it's a very good app. If you don't, it won't be free forever for everyone else to enjoy. So let's place this in our applications. Copy that bad boy over, and let's run it. So just click on socket, localhost root, and there we are. That's MySQL setup. Before we install Cherokee, it would be a good idea to run this command brew doctor. Oh, just to check whether everything we've installed so far has gone well. Okay, so see these errors here. If you get errors, fix them before you start looking into installing Cherokee. So as we've installed the whole of Xcode, we'll run this second command. To fix the second error, we copy this export path and we sudo nano r.profile, which is in the home directory. If it's not there, you can sudo nano it and create it. And export this path, just copy and paste. So now let's run the final command, which is brew install Cherokee. Now this error may occur, don't worry, it's just that the fact that you brew doesn't have permission to write anything into these files here. So let's go and fix that now. So it's just so we just grab this path and sudo chown your username, followed by work group, which is staff, I believe. Here it fails again. So if you were getting that error on your screen, there is a way to fix it, but we have to disable how Cherokee installs MySQL. We can do this by picoing or nanoing Cherokee formula. So we go into, I'll put this command on the actual description. If we go in the formula here and then add this line without MySQL, it won't come up with the error basically. It'll allow you to brew install. Run the Cherokee install script again and make sure it runs and completes. You can automatically load it as you can see here, or you can just run it from, I like running it from the command line. So cherokee-admin-launcher. So if you see, when I run the Cherokee-admin-launcher at the moment, I'm getting an error which is to do with the fact that that my permissions have been corrupted really. So I can fix this by disk utility. Click on Mac OSX HD and verify disk, repair disk permissions. Now if everything was successful, we can now type in Cherokee-admin-launcher and it'll ask us to put our password in. If the Cherokee admin panel is shown, this shows you successfully installed Cherokee.